Okay, to suppress features using tables and Nitro-CELL, probably one of the best things to do first is to actually look up the command's requirements. So we're going to come down here to table feature suppress and just take a look at what it needs. So it's going to need a table, and it's going to be able to use the item name or the feature name with wildcards. So we can go manually set that table up in Excel just using a table create and then creating, as long as it has the table titles correct for item name and feature name. The little star next to it indicates that the values can be wildcard within there. But in this case, we're going to just create a table dynamically listing features by name to a new table. So within Creo here, we have 3 models currently in session. So we're going to be able to write that data out, and then so if we just take a preview of that by turning off the suppress command there, you'll notice that this is the data that's going to be processing. So let's enable this command, and we'll reference that table, which is my table, and then also because we are performing an operation on the models. It's probably a good idea to regenerate those models too. So we're going to reference that same table to say, okay, if I've affected anything within this table, meaning if I've suppressed anything in those models, I want to go ahead and regenerate those models also to ensure that they're accurate. So when we run this, we should see, at least on this model here, because it's obvious, because it's in session and displayed, those features were in fact suppressed, and then the model was regenerated. So the graphics was a little bit lagging there, but you see that in fact the geometry was regenerated properly. So yeah, table suppress is quite handy for automation, various things. If you're doing bomb reduction, or if you're trying to suppress geometry for other purposes, you can do it quite easily using tables.